All right, you guys, I'm using this Big Popa real quick. I'm just going to add it to my hair. I'm just going to show y'all in the Eco Gel. All right, I'm going to show y'all how to do a section real quick. And you can spray a little. So I just took a little small section and I put a little bit on my hand. I'm just going through, okay? That's what I'm doing. And I'm going to do that. You see how defined that curl is? Gives it that pop again, okay? Then put a little Eco Gel, and this is all I've been using, y'all, other than the Cantu gel, the Cantu cream to keep my hair moisturized. That's it. My wash and go days, this is what I use. Put a little oil in it just as a treatment and conditioner. So this is my newfound way of doing my hair. I just want to show y'all, put a little bit of Eco Gel on it, and it gives the curls the pop. If you want to put a little water on it, you can, but this should be good. See you guys later. Hope this helps. All right, bye. Y'all, this method has cut down my hair routine by at least 30 minutes. So so it's quick, y'all. Quick. Just go through real quick, and sometimes you can get a big chunk or a little chunk, and then just add it, like I said. And you go through, when you're first doing your wash and go, you go through and you make them smaller though, y'all. See, I already did my wash and go, and I added this stuff. So this is just to help it pop real quick. But that's what I want to tell you. Bye. And y'all, don't pull on your hair so hard like I do. I pull on mine. I'm a little rough, but go easy with your hair. All right, bye. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the final product. This is it. I did this in 10 minutes, y'all. And now I'm going to put some edge control on these edges, and I'm out. Hope this helps. Bye. Y'all, I'm really liking this hairstyle. So I think this is going to be my new hairstyle from here on out. I'm liking the flow of it, like right on my shoulders. This is nice, and it's bouncy body. I'm loving this. I can feel this. I could do this. I'm loving this, y'all. I'm loving this. Y'all, this is the finished product. Now I'm on my way out. See that hair? Bouncy, volumes. See that? Volumes. I showed y'all what to do quickly. This was the hairstyle that was done in less than 10 minutes. So I cut my hair care routine from 45 to 30 minutes, from 30 to 45 minutes to now 10 minutes. You guys don't run. Go get it. Bye.